School is out for most of us, and many of us are getting ready to take to the road for family vacation. Meteorologist Maria LaRosa caught up with automotive expert Lauren Fix to find out the top 3 things that we have to know before we hit the road.
It is that time of the year, and perhaps you and your family are getting ready to hit the road, but we want to do so in a prepared way, and that's exactly what Lauren Fix is here for. And Lauren, what are some of the top things that we really need to be doing to get ready for the road?
Well, about a week before you get on the road, you want to make sure to maintain your vehicle. That is priority 1, because that's your transportation. And the worst thing you could do on a vacation is get stuck on the side of the road. So things that are affected on long road trips are the 9 fluids in your car, hoses and belts, and tires. All this is a wear and tear item. And if you have an ASE certified technician check it out beforehand, you'll feel more comfortable.
And nothing can make for a bumpier ride than unhappy kids. So
yes.
We want to make sure the kids are prepared as well.
Absolutely. First thing I recommend is bringing your own snacks. It'll not just save you money, but also keep them entertained. You can have raisins and low sugar snacks that will meet their needs, things that they all like. And then I always recommend headphones for the kids, because they always have different games going, or they're watching a different video, and this will keep the noise level under control so it doesn't distract the driver. I also recommend books on CD so you can create good memories.
And above all, we want a safe trip.
Absolutely. Safety is priority. You want to keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. I also recommend stopping every 2 hours to get out and stretch, let the kids expend a little energy, use the restroom. Those are really important things that will make a difference in your road trip, because these are unfamiliar roads and you really need to pay attention and plan out your trip in advance.
All right, Lauren Fix, hopefully smooth sailing on the road.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Back to you.
Get ready for those road trips.
Well, heavy rain and roadways are wet and very, very treacherous.